The Lil Bubba machines are the most advanced models on the market. No other machine will generate as concrete a profit. I know that sounds kind of cheesy, but it's true. The Lil Bubba concrete curb machine is a mechanical breakthrough, creating beautiful custom borders. It's easy to use, and with just a little bit of training and practice, anyone can become an expert. The Lil Bubba EP. This is the most advanced curb machine available for residential and commercial borders. Its unique motion produces a consistent flow of concrete and avoids the weak spots produced by older style machines. By moving 7 inches upward into the hopper, the plunger prevents bridging and constantly agitates the concrete. The Lil Bubba EP is powered by a reliable 4-horsepower Honda. It produces up to 16 feet of concrete curb per minute and has the strength to lay a 24-inch walkway. I can tell you, you are not going to find another machine on the market as versatile as that. Like every Lil Bubba, it's self-propelled and can move at various speeds. Every Lil Bubba also has 2 height-adjusting knobs to provide leveling control and has convenient handles for easy loading and unloading. The 5-horsepower Lil Bubba EPC is a larger version of the EP machine. It's the perfect tool for bigger commercial and parking lot applications. It can install concrete curbing from 8 inches by 8 inches to 12 inches by 14 inches on any surface. With either of the machines, a variety of standard molds are available. Special custom molds can also be created from a simple sketch with dimensions. The Lil Bubba machine can be easily operated by just one person using a special steering attachment. This unique option isn't available anywhere else. Another option for climates where the ground freezes is the cable feed attachment. It allows you to extrude any curb with a 2,000-pound galvanized cable running through it for extra strength. The Concrete Edge has a wide variety of machines to complement the Lil Bubba. The 9-inch curb trencher is the ultimate tool for ground preparation. It digs up and mulches everything in its path, including small roots, and deposits them neatly to the side. Rake up a bit and you're ready to lay some curb. The Lil Bubba Curb Mixer is the ideal mixing tool for your concrete, curb color, and curb fiber. Its unique arrangement of rubber and steel blades create an even, uniform mix. The curb mixer can stand alone or be mounted to a special curb trailer, also designed specifically for the Lil Bubba package. Although the curb can be created with a smooth troweled surface, the Lil Bubba collection of specialty stamps and finishes are in your back pocket. Dozens of different stamping tools and texture patterns are available for a wide variety of finishes, and this is just for our basic decorative borders. We haven't begun to tell you about our unique Moroccan Natural Stone series. Some of our packages will provide you with a comprehensive set of tools that you'll need for curbing, including trowels, shovels, hose, rain protection system, and wheelbarrows, and a lot more. Speaking of wheelbarrows, just when you thought your life couldn't get any easier, check out the Lil Bubba ATB, all-terrain buggy. No more pushing a wheelbarrow across the lawn, up hills, and around the back. It's motorized, has 3 speeds and reverse, and the ATB rides nicely on your Lil Bubba custom curb trailer.